Welcome students. In this class we discuss principal unit normal vector which is denoted by n bar. Let us start with a vector r bar having constant magnitude. To take a vector r bar having constant magnitude, mod r bar equal to a constant. Then mod r bar square is also a constant, and this is square of the modulus of a vector. Square of the modulus of a vector is the same as the square of a vector. That is mod r bar square equal to r bar square, that is a constant. What is meant by r bar square? R bar square is r bar dot r bar. R bar dot r bar is denoted by r bar square. Therefore r bar dot r bar equal to a constant. And you take derivatives on both sides with respect to t. That is d by dt of r bar dot r bar, where we assume that r bar of t is a parameterization of a curve, and this d by dt of r bar dot r bar equal to derivative of constant which is 0. That is, using product rule, it is r bar dot dr bar by dt plus derivative of the first, that is dr bar by dt dot the second vector r bar equal to 0. It is r bar dot dr bar by dt plus, we know that dot product is commutative, therefore this is the same as r bar dot dr bar by dt equal to 0. That is, these two terms are equal, therefore 2 into r bar dot dr bar by dt equal to 0. Therefore we get r bar dot dr bar by dt equal to 0. Here dot product of these two vectors is 0. It means that these two vectors are orthogonal. That is, dr bar by dt is orthogonal to r bar. Thus, if we start with a vector having constant modulus, then dr bar by dt is always orthogonal to r bar. We use this result to define the principal unit normal vector n bar via the unit tangent vector t bar. You know t bar, which is the unit tangent vector. T bar is unit tangent vector, therefore mod t bar equal to 1, which is a constant. T bar is a vector having constant modulus. Therefore, by this result, dt bar by ds is orthogonal to t bar. Note that here we take the derivative with respect to the arc length parameter s. We obtain dt bar by ds is orthogonal to t bar, and take dt bar by ds by mod dt bar by ds. We divide this vector by its modulus. Then this is a unit vector. It becomes a unit vector when divided by its modulus. This is a unit vector orthogonal to t bar. And this unit vector which is orthogonal to t bar is denoted by n bar, and that is called the principal unit normal vector. And here dt bar by ds, mod dt bar by ds is kappa, which is the curvature of the curve. Therefore we write n bar equal to 1 by kappa into dt bar by ds. Kappa is the curvature of the curve, which is mod dt bar by ds. Here we define n bar equal to 1 by kappa into dt bar by ds, which is always orthogonal to the unit tangent vector t bar.
Dot.
Now consider a smooth curve. At this point, this is the unit tangent vector. Then this will be the principal unit normal vector. Principal unit normal vector always points towards the concave side of the curve. This is the concave side of the curve, and principal unit normal vector always directs towards the concave side of the curve. Again, principal unit normal vector equal to dt bar by ds by mod dt bar by ds. Here in this definition, derivative is taken with respect to arc length parameter s. So for calculation we find out another formula where the derivative is with respect to the parameter t. For that we apply chain rule. Start with this one. Applying chain rule, it is dt bar by dt into dt by ds by mod, here dt bar by dt into dt by ds. This is dt bar by dt into dt by ds by mod dt bar by dt into mod dt by ds, and take dt by ds. You consider first ds by dt. The derivative of arc length parameter with respect to the parameter t is the modulus of the velocity vector or speed, and for a or this one is always greater than or equal to 0, but for a smooth curve mod v bar is never 0. Therefore here we get ds by dt is always positive for a smooth curve. Therefore this mod dt by ds is the same as dt by ds. Therefore mod dt by ds, which is equal to 1 by mod ds by dt, equal to 1 by ds by dt equal to dt by ds. s. So we can cancel these two and we get dt bar by dt by mod dt bar by dt, and this formula is used for calculating n bar. Thus, by the definition of n bar equal to 1 by kappa into dt bar by ds or dt bar by ds by mod dt bar by ds. While for calculation we use this formula, n bar equal to dt bar by dt by mod dt bar by dt. Now consider an example. Take a curve having parametric form r bar of t equal to t I bar plus t square j bar. Then from this you find out v bar. What is v bar? It is dr bar by dt. That is derivative of each component. Derivative of t is 1. Therefore, this part having derivative I bar plus second derivative of t square is 2t, and we get the corresponding term 2t j bar, and therefore find out mod v bar. It is root of, here component is 1, therefore 1 square, that is 1, plus 2t whole square, that is 4 t square, and therefore take t bar. It is v bar by mod v bar equal to this vector by this one. Therefore 1 by root 1 plus 4 t square I bar plus 2t by root 1 plus 4 t square j bar. This is the unit tangent vector. We need dt bar by dt and its modulus to find out n bar. Therefore, dt bar by dt equal to derivative of each component. Here d by dt of, you take this to the numerator, then 1 plus 4 t square whole raised to negative 1 by 2 into unit vector I plus d by dt of 2t by root 1 plus 4 t square into unit vector j is equal to, here derivative is negative 1 by 2 into 1 plus 4 t square whole raised to negative 1 by 2 minus 1, that is negative 3 by 2, and we have to apply chain rule for this part, that is derivative of this one, that is 8t into vector I plus, we apply quotient rule here. You start with the denominator and take this 2 outside, then 2 into derivative, start with the denominator, then root 1 plus 4 t square into derivative of the numerator t is 1 minus numerator t into derivative of the denominator root 1 plus 4 t square is 1 by 2 into root of 1 plus 4 t square, and apply chain rule for this part, that is derivative of 1 plus 4 t square, which is 8t, all divided by square of the denominator, which is here 1 plus 4 t square. Into vector j. This is you simplify 8 by 2 4, therefore negative 4t, and take this term to the denominator, then 1 plus 4 t square whole raised to 3 by 2 into vector I plus write this as 2 by 1 plus 4 t square and take this numerator, there take LCM as root 1 plus 4 t square and simplify 8 by 2. Then root 1 plus 4 t square into 1 plus 4 t square, that is 1 plus 4 t square, then minus 8 by 2 4, therefore here we get 4 t into t 4 t square by this one, root 1 plus 4 t square the vector j equal to negative 40 by 1 plus 4 t square all raised to 3 by 2 into I plus here 1 plus 4 t square minus 4 t square, which is 1. Therefore numerator is 2 by 1 plus 4 t square into root 1 plus 4 t square. Combine these two terms, then 1 plus 4 t square all raised to 3 by 2 into vector j bar. This is dt bar by dt. From this we find mod dt bar by dt, that is square of this one plus square of this one and take the square root. Therefore first you take this dt bar mod dt bar by dt square, it is negative 4t by 1 plus 4 t square whole raised to 3 by 2 square plus square of this term 2 by 1 plus 4 t square whole raised to 3 by 2 whole square equal to here 16 t square by 1 plus 4 t square whole raised to 3 by 2 square. Therefore 2 and these 2 getting cancelled, we get 1 plus 4 t square whole cube plus here 2 square, which is 4 by, like this we get here 1 plus 4 t square whole cube, and these two denominators are equal. Therefore this equal to 16 t square plus 4 by 1 plus 4 t square whole cube, and you take 4 as common from these two terms. Write this term first, that is 4 into, it becomes 1 plus it becomes 4 t square divided by 1 plus 4 t square whole cube, and cancel 1 plus 4 t square, we get 4 by 1 plus 4 t square whole square. This is square of mod dt bar by dt. Therefore we get dt bar by dt modulus equal to root of this one, that is 2 by 1 plus 4 t square, and therefore take n bar. N bar equal to, use this formula, dt bar by dt by mod dt bar by dt, that is you divide this vector by its modulus, that is this term 2 by 1 plus 4 t square. Therefore you divide each term, or let us write like this, n bar equal to, therefore n bar equal to 1 by mod dt bar by dt, that is this one, 1 by 2 by 1 plus 4 t square into this vector, that is negative 4t by 1 plus 4 t square whole raised to 3 by 2i plus 2 by 1 plus 4t square whole raised to 3 by 2j. Thank you.